Well, here in problem number 4, part C, we're asked to find where the function g of x, where the graph of g of x would have an inflection point. So we have to think about what to look for. You know, the graph will have an inflection point whenever the second derivative of that function changes signs. Now remember from our legend, g prime prime of x equals f prime of x. So really we're looking at a graph to see when does f prime of x change signs. Well, we can tell that f prime is positive for one region and f prime is negative for another region. So it looks like f prime changes signs at x equals 0. So we can conclude that g of x has an inflection point at x equals 0. Now we're supposed to justify our answer. So we'll say because g prime prime of x, which in this graph equals f prime of x, changes signs there. And that's it for part C. Now let's take a look at part D. Say find the average rate of change of f. Okay, we're going to have to think about that one for a minute. The average rate of change of f on the interval. And you're saying there's no point in the interval which satisfies the mean value theorem. So we're supposed to explain why the mean value theorem doesn't apply here, but there's no contradiction, disproving the mean value theorem. So let's first talk about the average rate of change of f on this interval. Average rate of change of f, we're going to find by doing f of 3 minus f of negative 4 all over 3 minus negative 4. So if you look at the graph, f of 3 is negative 3 minus f of negative 4, which is negative 1, all over 3 minus a negative 4 comes 3 plus 4. Negative 3 minus negative 1 is negative 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. So the average rate of change of f on negative 4 to 3 is negative 2/7. Now the reason there's no place in the interval between negative 4 and positive 3 where the slope of our graph of f is equal to negative 2/7 is because f is not differentiable everywhere in this interval. F is not differentiable. At x equals 0 because there's a cusp at x equals 0. So the mean value theorem does not apply on any interval containing 0. That's what we get for part D. Thank you for watching the video.